Here at childcarespaces.com, we made it even easier for you to sign up and register. Go to our homepage, click Create an Account, enter your personal information, click Sign Up. Now you're going to receive a confirmation email. Please go in there and click it. It will activate your account. Once you confirm your account, click Login, enter your username and password. And here you can enter all your personal information, contact information, basic information, enter your children. Each child needs their forms completed in order to use the system and apply for and book spaces. Don't forget to add the country. If you're applying for subsidized care, you can either enter your DSHS client ID or you can send us a copy of your Working Connections, SNAP, or WIC benefits, and then you'll be immediately approved for free care. Here is where you add your children. Once you've entered your children, you will need to complete the forms for each child. Each child needs an individual set of forms. The required forms to fill out are the Child Care Registration Form, the CCS General Permissions Form, and the Getting to Know Your Child form. The other forms are required if your child is on medication, has individual plan of care. And lastly, you will need to complete either the Certificate of Immunization Status form or the Certificate of Exemption form, depending on if your child has immunizations or if you have a religious or medical exemption. Once those are done, click on the subsidized agreement, review it. Once you've reviewed it, click the box, I agree to the subsidized agreement, click Continue. Now you have completed your onboarding, and now you can start looking for spaces and booking them. You cannot book spaces until you have completed the onboarding and completed your forms for each child. If you book a space and you have not completed your forms yet, the provider will deny you. So please enter all your basic information, enter your children, and enter their forms before you book spaces because you will be denied. After you've completed all your forms, you can click on the icon on the top right-hand corner and go to your dashboard. Here is where you'll see upcoming spaces that you have reserved, spaces you're waiting on confirmation from your childcare provider, and spaces you've completed. Here you can, on the left, you can update your user settings, your guardian profile, your accounts for other parents that you parent with. You can add more children or change your children's information. You can complete forms that you might not have completed right away, update your address. You can also search for spaces. So here you can see spaces. The ones that have the little dark blue tab underneath has available spaces. You can go over and choose who you'd like to see. And here you have a provider that has a space on Monday for both toddlers and preschoolers. Click Book. Choose a name of your child. If you have multiple children, you'll have multiple names here. Click Book that space. It will then send a confirmation request to the provider. If the provider confirms your space, you will receive confirmation that you have received the space, and it will show up in upcoming here. Before it's been approved, you'll see it in the waiting area that you're waiting for the provider to confirm the space. I hope this makes it easy for everybody. Thank you so much. Best of luck finding childcare through childcarespaces.com.